Hello and welcome to FreeTechTV. Thank you guys for joining in, my fellow techies out there. What we have for you today is another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung UFlex Bluetooth headphones. Now what these Samsung headphones are, they're flexible design, super comfortable, super lightweight, very long battery life. As we know, Samsung makes great products. I just hope these don't explode around my neck, right? So these headphones here feature a flexible neckband design. Supposed to be very, very good audio quality when listening to these headphones. Works with Bixby, of course. Expect nothing less from Samsung, right? And your battery life on this is about 9 to 10 hours. So excited to share this with you guys. Let's get into it. Now we just need some scissors. There we go. Got some scissors. Very nicely packaged. So as we see here from opening it up, we have a diagram here showing all the features and the controls of the headphones here. And then of course, we have the Samsung UFlex actual headphones, some extra earbuds, as well as the charging cable via USB. They are magnetic. They do connect to each other and just hang down. Very, very flexible. No problems whatsoever with these. And again, designed really for comfort. So these are going to be very comfortable, especially if you're using them for extended long use, maybe such as a plane ride or a bus ride or just walking, jogging, being active. These are going to be of great use for that. You don't have to worry about your headphones getting all tangled or pulled or anything of that sort. So great headphones here, and we'll hear them out and hear how they sound. And they fit comfortably in the ears, definitely lightweight. You can't even really feel that you have them around your neck there at all. And the build quality of these definitely feels really, really strong. You can check out the LG 780 Bluetooth headphones. I also did a review on my channel. Make sure you check those out. But these are going to be great. I'm excited to use them. Oh yeah, the bass, definitely deep, rich bass. The trebles, it sounds exactly where it should be. You're going to customize the EQ settings on your playing back device. But just naturally out of the box, how they sound really, really good. Definitely impressed with these. Sometimes you get Bluetooth headphones and they're not the best sound quality, especially in the earbud category. But these are definitely nice, and I definitely will be using them as my daily headphones. Also have a built-in microphone there, so you can certainly take calls, no problem at all. You have controls here right at your fingertips. So that's it, you guys. This has been a review of the Samsung UFlex headphones. Great headphones, would certainly recommend them. You certainly can find them a little bit cheaper than you would at Best Buy. Maybe check Amazon. They're usually around $49 there, which isn't bad for these type of headphones, especially with the great sound quality that these have. Definitely nice premium build to them for sure. Super comfortable. Highly recommend them to you guys. Now thank you for joining in and watching my videos here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. More videos like this coming every week to you guys. And if you have any comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next video.